Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Corsair headphones with your MacBook. So we got even three connection methods. The first one, we can use this wireless adapter. We have to plug it to the USB-A, but in this MacBook I don't have this port, so I cannot use it actually. There is the wired connection by this jack headphones, and also the wired connection with this USB-A and the USB-C cable, but it's the same way. I don't have this USB-A cable, so I have to use this jack 3.5 millimeters cable. So I have to plug it right here next to the USB-C port, and this second end I have to also plug to my MacBook. In my case, it's located on the right side of the MacBook. It's located just right here, so I have to plug it. And right now it's time to go to the settings. So we have to open the system settings, go to the sound, and as you can see we can find the output and the input port. So as you can see, if you don't have it selected automatically, then you have to manually pick the external headphones for the output and the input. And that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.